Uh, Good morning, everyone. Myself Sarika Sarsodiya. I am studying in FY B.Ed in Adhyapak College, Wadgaon. Today I am going to tell you. Today I am going to teach you digital teaching skill lesson on maths of 7th standard. The unit name is surface area and the sub unit name is surface area of a cube and cuboid. Let's see the first slide. And what do you mean by surface area? Surface area of any three-dimensional object is the sum of the area of all its faces. Now this PPT shows you the video of calculating the surface area of a cube and cuboid. Let us see how to find the surface area of a cuboid. First of all, let me tell you what do you mean by cuboid. A cuboid, the faces of the cuboid are rectangular in shape and it has 6 faces. Opposite faces have the same area. Each edge is perpendicular to the two other edges it meets. Now suppose consider if L is the length and B is the breadth and H is the height, then the surface area of the cuboid can be calculated by the formula 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. On the next side of the slide, you can see the diagram of a cuboid. Now, let us see how to find the surface area of a cuboid. First of all, let us see what do you mean by a cube. A cube has 6 faces. Each face is a square. Now, notice the difference between the cube and the cuboid. In the cuboid, the faces are rectangular in shape, and in a cube, the faces are square in shape. Area of all the faces of a cube is equal. Now consider the side of each square is L. Okay, now consider the side of each square is L. Now area of one face of a cube is equal to area of square, isn't it? Why square? Because the faces of the cube are square in shape. Now the total sum surface area of the cube will be sum of area of 6 squares. So that is equal to 6 into L square. Now let us take one example. Example of finding the surface area of a cuboid. The example is we are supposed to find the total surface area of the cuboid whose length is 12 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. Now what is the formula for calculating the surface area of a cuboid? It is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Now substituting these values of length, breadth and height in the formula, we get 2 into 12 into 10 plus 10 into 5 plus 5 into 12. That is equal to 2 into 120 plus 50 plus 60. That is equal to 2 into 230 and that is equal to 460 square centimeter. So for this example, the surface area of the cuboid is 460 square centimeter. Let us see the next example. Now, in this example, we are supposed to find the surface area of the cuboid of length 8 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter, and height 3.5 centimeter. Now you know the formula is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. Now substituting the values of length, breadth and height, we get 2 into 8 into 5 plus 5 into 3.5 plus 3.5 into 8. That is equal to 2 into 40 plus 17.5 plus 28.0. That is equal to 2 into 85.5 and the final answer is 171.0 square centimeter. Okay, now let us change the topic now. Not topic, but now. Previously we found the surface area of the cuboid. Now let us find the surface area of the cube. Now we are supposed to find the surface area of the cube having the side 3 centimeter. Now what is the formula for calculating the surface area of the cube? It is 6 into length. Where now substituting the value of length of side of a cube, we get 6 into 3, that is equal to 54 square centimeter. So the total surface area of the cube having its side 3 centimeter is 54 square centimeter. Let us take another example. Now we are supposed to find the surface area of the cube having the side as 5 centimeter. Now again, what is the formula for calculating the surface area of the cube? It is 6 into L into L. Now substituting the value of length in the formula, we get 6 into 5 and that is equal to 150 square centimeter. Have you all understood now what is a cuboid and what is a cube? Cuboid is a three-dimensional object having 6 faces and each face is rectangular in shape. The area of the opposite sides is equal of a cuboid. And what is a cube? Cube is a three-dimensional object having 6 sides and each side is square in shape. And what is the formula for calculating the surface area of the cube? It is 6 into length.